1992 was the first model year for the Lexus SC 300 and 400. This was the first and only time that the Toyota Supra shared a platform with the Lexus. In fact, the Lexus SC launched a model year before the Mark IV Supra. While the Supra was designed to be a sports car, the SC was designed to be a grand touring car to compete with luxury sport coupes like the Mercedes CL and Jaguar XJS. The SC 300 and 400 were in production from the 1992 through the 2000 model year. The lead designer of the SC was Erwin Louis and the design manager was Dennis Campbell, both at Toyota's Calty Design Research Studio in Newport Beach, California. Erwin took inspiration from balloons filled with plaster that were stretched into shapes, photographed, and then projected onto a screen on an angle. The resulting shape was a complete break with what had come before from Toyota or Lexus, with a smooth 0.32 coefficient of drag. While a new design was normally selected with 1 or 2 reviews, it took an unprecedented 4th review before being approved. Let's take a look at this SC300, which was built by Toyota Motor Corporation's Motomachi plant in April 1992 as one of just 1,601 manual transmission SC300s for the model year. A total of only 3,883 manual transmission SC300s were built until the manual was discontinued in 1997, making them highly sought after today. This vehicle was sold new by Park Place Lexus in Plano, Texas, and has remained in the Dallas area. The odometer reads about 195,000 miles. The vehicle was made with diamond white pearl paint and a moonroof. Its low and smooth front end styling required development of new compact projector headlamps and a new hydraulic front fender press on the production line to implement the design concept. The SC suspension system is similar to the Mark IV Supra suspension system. The suspension on this vehicle has been upgraded with Mark IV Supra struts and Supra I-back progressive springs for a sportier stance. The wheels have been upgraded with rare Japan domestic market Soarer accessory BBS 16-inch by 7-inch wheels. BBS wheels are still available on certain new Lexus models. The spacious trunk offers 9.3 cubic feet of storage, enough for a cross-country trip for 2 or a couple of golf bags and soft luggage for a weekend getaway. There is a 12 CD changer, a jack, a full-size spare, a tool caddy that can double as a champagne bucket, and tool stamp Lexus. The exhaust exits via dual stainless tips. Under the hood we find a smooth-running, legendary 2JZ 3-liter dual overhead cam, 4-valve per cylinder, fuel-injected straight 6 engine with a stock output of 225 horsepower paired with a factory standard 5-speed manual transmission. This powertrain was rated to take the vehicle to 60 miles per hour in 7.4 seconds and to a top speed of 146 miles per hour. Moving to the interior, we find unique articulating door hinges that pivot the door forward and outward for easier access. Inside there's an ivory leather trimmed interior, bird's eye maple wood trim, electroluminescent gauges, an upgraded 3-spoke steering wheel from a 99 to 2000 SC, and upgraded Mark IV Supra seats reupholstered with new cushion foam and fresh Napa leather that provide 2 inches more headroom, and a leather trimmed shift knob. The SC300 was offered in 1992 for a manufacturer suggested retail price of $35,000 or about $70,000 in 2022 dollars. Will the 30-year-old Lexus make it from Dallas, Texas to Monterey, California for Car Week and back? Yes, we made it to Monterey, did rallies and shows, made new friends, and drove back to Dallas, a 4,500-mile drive, and the engine oil was still on the dipstick full mark. To sum it up, the SC offers timeless elegance, GT performance, comfort, and Lexus reliability. What's not to like?